Alright guys, push the car back quite a bit. So hit the engine right there. Leave it somewhere here. I'm gonna get a bench set up right there for everything I take apart. But yeah. Other than that, there's a lot of stuff I'm deleting on the car. For example, the whole intercooler system. It's got access piping with filters. There's too much blockage that I don't need. Exhaust is getting replaced. Clutch kit. Oh, let me show you guys the clutch kit. Alright, here we go. This was from Park Auto, South Bend, Stage 2 Endurance clutch. It comes pre-built, as I'd say. Throwout bearing, clutch kit, flywheel. It's rated to around 400 foot-pounds of torque. I know it sounds a little low, but I don't think I need that much. The power I'm putting into it. I did say a reach of 500, but I'm okay with like 450 or something. But we can get there. With the tranny, we're gonna have to pull the tranny completely out because the axle shaft runs right through it, the transfer case. If you can see it, can you see it? Oh, it's right there. Yeah, so we're gonna have to drop the tranny from the back, literally, and pull it out. It does have a leak somewhere in the transfer case, so I'm thinking about getting it rebuilt, or see if I can find a gasket kit for it. What else? Yeah. I am getting a new high pressure fuel pump. I need to clean up the harnesses a bit. I am thinking about cleaning up the engine bay, doing some tucks, but we'll get to that when we get to that. Alright, I'll keep you guys updated.